We're gonna add our creamer to our coffee. All right. So what I like to do is get another cup, add my little bit creamer here. Not too much, just enough where you're gonna have it. Then turn this on. Foam it up. Beautiful foam. It's ready for the coffee. So we're not going to design anything today. We're just going to pour it on slowly. Look at that foam. And that's it. Look at that. Beautiful froth. Now it's time to say goodbye to this coffee. Ah, delightful. Very good. The foam gives it a better flavor, to be honest with you. You can mix it up even more if you want. Just putting the foam machine to a coffee, but you don't want to make a mess. Just leave it as it is. It tastes pretty good. Move it nice and slow, and then the foam stays on the top. Gives you great flavor. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.